Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Hootsie Roll ability in Crow Garden game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, this is one of the Easter pads in Crow Garden, guys. And before I show you what this pad can do, I'm going to show you how you can get this pad. Basically, you can purchase this pad from the Easter shop. Go to the Easter shop here, and it costs 10k chocolate coins, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, you can purchase the Hootsie Roll here. And this is a mythical pet. Okay, now let's go back to my garden and I'm going to view the ability of this Hootsie Roll. Okay, all active Easter type pets gain an additional XP per second. Oh, okay, it can boost your pet XP. And I think it's worth to buy, guys. It will help your pet to gain XP, but only for the Easter type pets. Okay, at least it works for this update. Okay, guys, and that's all about the Hootsie Roll pet and Grow Garden game of Roblox Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.